Hi everyone, my name is Amia, and today I will show you the Statue of Unity, which is located in Gujarat, India. It's a wonderful place to visit, and today I'm with all my family members, and we are enjoying the whole travel. We enjoyed a lot. We had a good food, and now we are going to see the Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue in the world. So I must urge you that please visit at least once in a life, and you'll enjoy for sure. This is such a wonderful place, which is beside Sarovar Dam, and all the greenery you will see behind the statue. This statue is covered with a lot of mountains, greenery mountains over here. Thank you.